Hi folks, and welcome to Moggy's Life Hacks. This is just a wee quick one for you today. We've got a door handle here. This is just a cupboard, and what's happened is something has fallen behind the door handle here, so it means that no matter how hard you try, you can't press the handle down because there's something on the other side that's stopping the handle from moving down. So it's an easy fix, believe it or not. All you need is 2 thin kitchen knives, and all you're going to do is you're going to put one above where the little latch goes into the wood. So you're going to put one above there, and you're going to put the other one underneath that and in behind where the latch is, and you're just going to use that to very carefully lever open the catch, and then you'll be able to open the cupboard door. And all that's happened there is it's been this little set of step ladders that's been blocking the handle. Alright, so tune in again to Moggy's Life Hacks to keep the good tips coming. See you soon.